it's time to put away the sewing machine and the iron. And we're not even going to answer the telephone. We're going to forget about it. And we're going to take our shoes off and we're going to relax. And we're going to sit on the couch or the chair one. And we're going to get ready and drink us some tea and have us a piece of cake because it is time for poor man sewing. Ooh, I wish you guys could smell my kitchen. I'm making banana bread. Michaela brought in a whole bunch of bananas. I made a thing called banana casserole, I think it was. And then they got another one, and I can't find the recipe. I wrote it down, but I can't find it. And now I'm making banana bread. And I still got bananas left over. But I got it on a timer. So, what I want to do is I want to make something to put my phone in instead of carrying it around all the time. So, okay, this is a strap that I'm going to want to use. And I hope I can get two out of this for the strap. Might as well go ahead and use it. I mean, I don't need nothing all go to waste when I can make something out of it. I hope. And I should have went two. Oh, why did you do that, Sandy? Alright, let's see what we can do to make it 2.5. Yeah, I think I'd rather have it 2.5. It'll be alright. We are not going to get too mad about it. Because I got a strip I can use for my rug whenever I get back to it. And I have a 2-inch strip for if I ever need one. Alright. Throw that down in there. And grab another one. So, let's see what we can do here to give us another one. Blowing it up. I don't mind sometime it not working out, you know, because you got to be able to do what you can do. So here, got me another strip. Alright. And that other one's a 2.5 too. So now I got me 2 of these. And I think what I'm going to want to do, you know what I want to do? Nah, I'll stick with this. Yeah. Let's see what we can do about cutting that down. So I know it's going to be way too long. There. Now we got that cut down. So here's a strop. And I think I'm going to turn on my ironer. And then I have this. And this is the color that I'm going to put on the outside of it. Let's go down. Okay, make sure. And then we're going to trim around it. Oh, I'll be back. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do about cutting this right here down. And I ran out of space to put my junk because I put some other junk there. That's generally the way it happens. Alright. Now, see what we can do everything up. And you know what I think? I think I should have cut this off. Oh, let's see. Right about here. But I didn't. Wonder if I should leave it whole. We'll try it out. If it don't work, it just don't work. Alright, so now I'll cut me out 2 of these. And we're going to put one here. One on the side. No. What am I doing? Sandy, you're crazy. I know it. Don't start off like you did the other day and mess a bunch of material. And we'll try not to. Alright. So now, let's see what we can do about pinning it down. Is that my nose? What happened to my nose? Yeah. Alright. Now, we're going to leave this open. And now for the other color. And this is going to be the other color. And there we go. Alright. You know what? I ought to do them all of them together. And see what happens. I mean, I won't be putting them together anyway. So, yeah, I think I'd probably better. So let's do it this way. Because we're going to put this right here around it, which will make it easier. Alright. So I'm going to want this here. Okay. Let's go back to this one. And man, that bread smells so good. It ain't done yet. I got about 10 more minutes. That is some pretty bread. Right. So now, I'm going to want these on the outside. So, yeah. We are going to want, okay, I'm thinking, okay, I know I'm doing it crazy. But that's okay. I'm that way. Let's sew down this way. And on this one, let's sew it down that way. I'll get it right in a minute. Alrighty. Let's see what we can do. Let's put this back up. Try to get some of the stuff out of the way now. Turn this over. And give it a meltdown. And let's do this in the same identical way. Give it a meltdown. And now we want to go back and sew these down so we'll have a pretty edge on it. We hope anyway. Alrighty. So now we want to lay these two together. Now, what I want to do with my handles is, I wonder if I should take and try to turn it the right sides together. I wonder if I should, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this down, and I'm going to go with my this here don't want to line up, does it? Sticking right to the material. Okay. So what I can do here, and I'm gonna put this down the side here. See what happens. I already got my strap done. So what we want to do is kind of level them out here and get rid of some of the junk. And now we're going to take one of these. We're going to make sure that these are the straps are straight and not crinkled in any way. And I'm going to put them right in here, like that. And then I'm going to put this one right on top. And now I'm going to sew it down this way to right about here. Right about there. Alright, now I got that done. So I think I did pretty good. So now we're going to huff it down. But the scissors will probably be better. Yeah. Multi-layers. Now, we'll turn it this way. And now we got a strap there. Oh yeah, that'll work out pretty good. How about we go it like this? Yeah. That will work too. That will work too. Alright. Now, we are going to take from here, so if I can't get some of it done, so that I don't have to try to go against the grain here. I've got a bigger blue. That would probably be better. Alright. That's not going to work. Gotta have a different one. Right there will work. See what we can do. Alright. Now, and I think I'm going to go across the top right here. Right down in here. And then I'm going to put that stuff all the way around it and see what it looks like. Alright, y'all ignore the hammer in there. John's trying to fix his bed, and I have no problem with it. I want to finish this that I had started, and I'm going to have to sew this down, and I'll show you when I get done what it's going to look like. Alright, now we have the next one that I messed up on, and I'm going to make something totally different. Here is going to be a strap. I'll sew it down each side, and I'm going to put it in here, so we'll have a handle, and then I'm going to take and put two snaps in it to where it will hold, and we can put either our phone or a bottle in here, and they will be above our pockets here. Alright, so I'm going to get this right here done. Stay tuned, it's coming up next. If you like the content of this channel and you would like to support it, please donate to Poor Man Sewing It really will be appreciated. And thank you in advance for everyone that does, and the ones that are doing it now. Alright, I got it done, and I should be able to take it with me wherever I go. And then that way, I can turn it this way, and slide it on, and I got my phone. Yeah. Gotta get used to where it's at. I can turn it around and use it this way. Which will probably be the way that I'll use it, because I like to be able to get to it easier. And I got a little bit of room in there. But I think that'll work out pretty good. And I guess we've got to. I can put it around my waist. Look at that. Put it around my waist too. And not worry about it. Now I had to change this rounding because this is bigger and it will go against all my layers. This one right here, it won't. It doesn't have a fold in it with any extra. I wouldn't be able to do it. So I had to change that. But it will work. And I think it looks pretty good. And I gotta figure out how to get this off. Help. I'm surrounded. That was bundling up in the back. Alright. So I did it anyway. Yes. I can handle it. Alright, we'll see y'all later. I have these done. And then just think, I thought they wasn't no good, trash, whatever. But I was able to make a little purse out of this. And it worked out good. And I can also put a phone in it and right here. Inside of it, out here. And then I got this one. A water bottle. Carry. You're okay. And then I can put the phone. I like this one here better. It's deeper. And I put my phone in here. I wonder if I can. Let's try this out. And let's try it out. Now, come on. See how well. We can record. Yes. I can record while I'm doing it. I'll see you. You're right here. Right there. Alright. I think this right here works out pretty good. And so we can unpop it. And we have stuff, we put stuff on the inside and make sure that it works out good. And be able to hold stuff in. So, I'm happy about that. Alright, we will see you all later. Turn off the light. Yes, I can record while I'm doing it. I'll see you. You're right here. Right there. Alright. I think this right here works.